going to be showing you how to deposit money on Pocket Option using Cash App, especially for United States, US traders. They don't allow uh, debit, credit cards. You could only deposit basically through crypto. So first what you do is you go to your Cash App and add money. You're gonna need to add Bitcoin to your account from your Cash App. So you click on that Bitcoin icon there, and yeah, you're going to need to buy some Bitcoin with your Cash App. So you need money in your Cash App account in order to buy Bitcoin. So depending on the amount of deposit that you want to make, you have to transfer money to your Cash App balance, right? So then you go ahead and you buy the Bitcoin, and then you go into your Pocket Option account. You log into your Pocket Option account and you click on the deposit button there, okay? And then you simply look for the Bitcoin icon, click on that, and then put the amount that of put the amount of money that you're amount of Bitcoin that you're going to be purchasing. And then you click on continue and pay, and it'll send you to this page here. Okay. So basically what you want is that QR code, right? So you got the QR code, you go back into your Cash App, and then you simply go send. You want to send the Bitcoin that you purchased, and you scroll. If you see that there's a top left, there's a square box in the top left. Let me go back a little bit. That square box there, the top left, that's where you scan the QR code. And then from there, you just simply hit whichever method you want to send, priority, rush, standard, and that's basically it. That's how it works. Okay, thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt.